How can you use AI as a home builder or remodeler to scale your business? I'm going to give you some actionable steps, and I'm also going to be giving away something incredible at the end of this video. Okay. The first thing that I'm going to suggest that you do, go and get an account with ChatGPT. I recommend you pay for the premium. It's worth it. It's like $20 a month. Go in there and get the pro account. I'm going to walk you through how to use it and how you can actually implement what it gives you. So the first thing that we're going to do is create a content calendar through ChatGPT. You want to give it some basic information. So the exact prompt that you're going to use, you're going to see it linked in this in the description of this video, and you can just copy and paste it into ChatGPT. But I'll tell you it on the screen here. It's create me a 90-day content calendar for my business. These are the services that I offer. This is my website, and this is my name, and this is the type of equipment that I have. I have this many active job sites going on, and if you don't have any active job sites going on, you need to tell it that, because sometimes in the content calendar it says, hey, go to an active job site and shoot this type of video. And you're going to give it this prompt saying, hey, I want a 90-day game plan. Okay. And then once it gives you that 90-day game plan, we're going to create a schedule from that game plan. And you're going to say, okay, now create me a day-by-day schedule with this game plan that you've given me. And after that, you're then going to ask it to give you the scripts for the videos that go into that schedule. And those 3 prompts, you will now have 90 days worth of content, and ChatGPT will have told you what to say in the videos. Okay. The next thing that we're going to do is we are going to use this new feature with ChatGPT called Agent. And within Agent, you're able to do a lot. You're able to create yourself lead magnets. You're able to create yourself PDFs, SOPs, free checklists. You're able to do a lot within there. And I'm just absolutely scratching the surface of what's available. The biggest thing that we're going to do right off the hop is we want to create an email marketing sequence. Now, this might seem completely redundant if you don't have an inbound lead source like Facebook or Angie's List, or you're getting referrals from a realtor, referral partner, or wherever leads may be coming in through. Maybe it's your website, social media, whatever it may be. But if you have that in place, you need to be nurturing these leads properly. Now, with this new system, or this new agent feature within ChatGPT, what we're able to do is actually prompt it. Again, you're going to see that prompt in that document that we're going to have tagged in the description. But we are going to create a 365-day follow-up tool, and it's going to map it all out. And then once you get into Go High Level, which we give Go High Level accounts away for $1, I recommend you jump on that, because if you go and try and sign up yourself, it's like $100 a month or more. And other agencies will try and sell it for $500. We give it away for basically free. It's $12 for the year, $1 a month. Go get an account. It's the first 30 days is completely free. And you give ChatGPT Agent your login to this, and it will go and do all of this for you in the background. And so it will create the text that goes into the follow-up system, and then it will put it into there as well. And then we'll also give it the prompt afterwards to then go in and set it up so that that triggers when a lead comes in. And we want to create this follow-up system. This is something so immensely valuable. It's going to have internal links to blogs that you've posted. It's going to have links to download ebooks that you have. It's going to have industry tips on, things that you should have in place before you hire a builder, questions you should ask before you pick a builder. All of these great things you're going to want to have within your email marketing that keeps you as the builder top of mind for a year after somebody inquires with you. So having that follow-up system, having the social media, then the next thing that we're going to have is we want to have blogs going out, like I mentioned, that will be referenced within the follow-up system. But we want to create 12 highly searchable blog titles and topics that we can then use ChatGPT to write out the blog and have personality behind it that aligns with your brand. And then we can use the ChatGPT agent to then post those blogs for you so that you don't even have to think about it. So you will see those prompts in there, but go ahead and put that prompt on the one there. It's creating the 12 blogs. Put that in there. When it spits those topics out, pick out your top 12. It's going to ask for 24. Just pick 12 out of there that you like, that aligns with your brand. And then we're going to ask it one by one to write each blog. And we're going to give it the parameters that we want it to be between the ranges of 1,200 to 1,500 words. And we want it to have, the proper formatting when it goes into WordPress. And so if you follow these prompts and these steps, you're going to have blogs that are going out regularly. You're going to have social media posts that are going out regularly. And then when leads come in through that, you're going to have the follow-up system to nurture those people. But yeah, that's a really quick way on how you can use ChatGPT in your building or remodeling business. I hope that this video was straightforward. If you have any questions where you want us to go even more in depth, or you want help, taking this from A to Z and implementing it, please reach out to us. We're happy to jump on a call and just add value as much as we possibly can. You can find us on Instagram at Home Builder Marketers, or visit our website, homebuildermarketers.com, and just inquire with us. And we'd be happy to help you implement any of this. Feel free to like and subscribe. This will promote future content like this to you. And here at Home Builder Marketers, we are on a mission to help 10,000 custom home builders reach more than 10 custom homes sold per year. And so if you align with that vision, feel free to reach out, because we'd be happy to help you get there. And that's what we're truly trying to do for everybody, is just add value. So thanks for watching.